Sup PSP Pimps, Ash here, welcoming you to some more God Eater Burst. Last part we took on our second mission with Sakuya Tapajupi Tuna Fish. You know, the girl with the big tits. I wasn't even really paying attention to her during the battle. I'm not sure if he even really did anything, but I'm sure she did with a big giant sniper gun thingy. But yeah, we got a lot of, we salvaged a lot of stuff, and I got myself like a new shield. Looks pretty cool. Let me show you it. Yeah, this little blue thingy-majiggy. And I also was able to upgrade to knife 2 and things like that. So yeah. That was a quick little mission last time. So let's go check on our next objective here. First, who's this guy? Hey, damn you, I'm just about to have fun with Hibari, so don't butt in, yo, fuck you. Oh, I see. Well, in that case, go ahead. Hurry it up now. As soon as you accept it, get to it. You know what? We're gonna talk again. Sorry, I'm in the middle of an important conversation. Can you come back later? It's just, really important. Please. Alright. You. I see you're already hard at work. What's wrong? Is something the matter? I'll find like some advice on my mission about some work. Oh, okay. So really nothing here. Oh, Sakuya couldn't praise you enough. She was just here. I wonder if she's resting in her room. Yep. Iron Rain. Poor Origami sighed while in the factory ruins. Identified as Cocoon Maidens and Ogretails. So the Cocoon Maidens, I'm sure, were the, those weird maiden-looking ghost creatures. Those double team thing we fought, in the last part, and those Ogretails was the first Origami we fought. Make use of the divided terrain to lure the Ogretail away from the immobile Cocoon Maiden and defeat individually. Okay. I get it. Let's take it on. Soma. Okay. Let's roll.
Hey, are you the rookie we've been hearing so much about?
Are you Soma?
I'm Eric.
Nope.
Eric Devon.
Soma must be that goddamn guy who thinks he's cool.
From me and learn to battle gloriously for humankind.
Eric, above you.
Oh, fuck. Ogretail, you son of a bitch.
Stand there.
Welcome to this god-awful workplace. I'm Soma.
Soma looks fucking badass, shit.
You need to remember that. Sorry to break it to you, but this kind of thing happens on a daily basis here. What kind of place did you think it was gonna be? Just kidding. Time's up. Let's go, rookie.
God
If you
damn.
don't wanna die, just stay out
Oh,
of
he's
my
one of
way
those
as much as
fucking assholes. I thought Lindo was that type before he spoke. He always gotta be a fucking asshole like that. Okay, lure the Ogretail. Can I salvage anything? Can't even go there. Damn it. Alright.
What a nice.
You got the Ogre Fang.
What a nice.
He got up. Fuck. More Ogre Fangs. Okay. I don't know if I'm supposed to even be doing this. Alright. Salvage something. Please pick that up. Herb case. No. Supposed to be doing this right. I don't know. Shit. Getting the goddamn job done, that's the important part.
What did I say?
Well, god fucking damn. Got no more anyway. Get some thorn. Oh yeah, I can also get back my ammo. Can I go in there? No, I cannot. Who are you? I got no time. I need to salvage. Well, I'm gonna get you in a second. That's how much time I got left. Oh, like 30 minutes, right? Eroded rock. Magnesium. I don't think nothing is in there. So let's go back. Like, I've been trying to lock on with this. Alright. I didn't know you can fucking get up there. How do you get up there? Wow. Oh my god.
Hey, is that it?
Fucking asshole. Alright. Oh man, I sucked at that damn part. This mission. I did not know that I can climb up there. I've been trying to shoot it throughout this whole time. Well, thank you, Soma. You did your fucking job. Well, we both did it and I backed you up. Asshole. Oh my god, these results were horrible. 8 minutes. Double A. Oh man. Let's overwrite this. Well, I thought all this time I had to shoot this damn thing from a certain cliff that I was standing on, that I was trying to shoot from, but I've learned a valuable lesson here. Always buy like items to replenish your bullets, because you never know. I think that's it. Is that it? No. Well, whatever, I'll find it. Anyways, that was Story 3 or Mission 3. I'm Ash, the Awesome Ash, the god of all ashes. That's me. And I'll see you in the next part, people. Thanks for watching as always. Peace.